Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I'm Megha Patnaik on behalf of Standard 10. Welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start the morning assembly with DAV Gun.
School, attention. Ready for DAV Gun. Join your hands and close your eyes.
First of all, to take pledge, I would like to call Gayatri. Take place position. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of its. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. Teachers, and all elders respect, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, and my people, and place my devotion. In their well-being, and prosperity along, lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Now, 10 principles of IS March will be delivered by
Good morning to all. Myself Manisha Munda of class 5 section A. 10 principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 4. We should always be ready to accept the truth and give up untruth. Principle number 5. All action should be performed in conformity with dharma, that is after due consideration of right and wrong. Thank you.
Today's thought of the day will be presented by
Good morning everyone. Myself Kirtimanu Sahu, class 5A. Today's thought of the day is everybody should do his or her it to help save the nature. Thank you.
School, attention! Ready for prayer song.
One second. और एक बार 1 2 3 स्टार्ट.
School, stand it is.
Next, to deliver news headlines, I would like to call on
Good morning. I am Shankar Chnasis of Class 5 Section A with today's news. Modi non-committal on Bihar teams demand for caste census. 5 districts report less than 10 cases each in Tamil Nadu. Schools, colleges to reopen in Telangana on September 1. 3 capitals cases adjourned to November 15. Attendance low as schools and colleges reopen. Protest cannot hinder traffic, says Supreme Court. 12 more succumb to COVID instead. Puducherry schools, colleges to open on September 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.
now. Breakfast will be delivered by Sumyo.
Good morning everyone. Today's facts are: fact number 1. The Wright brothers built their first powered plane in 1903 and called it the Wright Flyer 1. Fact number 2. It was made of spruce wood and muslin and had wooden propellers that the brothers carved themselves. Fact number 3. The mechanic made a lightweight engine. The Wright Flyer 1 had a wingspan of 12.3 m. It weighed around 275 kg. Fact number 4. The Wright Flyer 1 cost less than $1,000 to build. Fact number 5. On the day of the first flight, the weather was very windy with icy gusts of 43 km per hour. That's all. Thank you.
Last but not the least, to present word of the day, I would like to call Mohit.
Good morning, everybody. Word of the day is deter. Its meaning is to make somebody decide not to do something. Its spelling is DETER. Its synonym is discourage. Its antonym is encourage. I repeat it. Today word of the day is deter. Its meaning is to make somebody decide not to do something. Its spelling is DETER. Its synonym is discourage. Its antonym is encourage. That's all. Thank you. School, attention. Ready for national anthem. School, stand it is. Assembly dispersed.